My name is Rohini Deveshar. My work from the dust of this planet is part of the Diriyah Contemporary Art Biennale 2026. I'm an artist, but I'm also an amateur astronomer. So in a way, both these paths began together, but very often they were not parallel. I mean, they were parallel for a long time and then they intersected. So my journey has been actually through art, but through science, and I keep moving through these two. So a lot of my research means that I travel to observatories in different parts of the world. So different spaces are very important to the work. The title of the work is From the Dust of This Planet, and it's almost a 65-minute film which is looking at the position of the observer. So a lot of my work is looking at the object, observation and the observer, but this work is really looking at how entangled all of these relationships are. Sort of unfolds over 4 acts, and over those 4 acts the work draws from science fiction, from post-humanist literature, from ancient non-Western cosmologies, contemporary theoretical physics, as well as lived astronomical observations. So the idea is to really sort of, destabilize the idea of the neutral observer. It's really to say that observation is not detached, observation is not neutral, but rather that it is always implicated, always embodied, and always recursive. I think it's a really interesting, sort of the title being Interludes and Transitions. For me, a lot of the work is looking at the intersections of history, science, philosophy, as well as art. If you think about the way science has moved, it has been through these sort of transmissions, through different cultures, through different times. These interstices, these kind of interludes, these kinds of in-between spaces where people collect, where gatherings happen are very, very productive, very, very generative. So I think, it's a very significant theme, and I feel like I'm very, sort of privileged to be part of this conversation. One of the things I wanted to play with was the idea of this large screen, which felt like it would be an object or a sort of body in the space. Instead of something you're passively looking at, what you're looking at is maybe also looking back at you. So From the Dust of This Planet is about the planet, and the planet appearing again and again. Basically the idea being that it is not mute, it is not inert, it is not passive, but that it might be looking back at you and that you are already part of this conversation. Sound is a very important part of this work, and I've been very privileged to work with 2 amazing collaborators, and the voice of the planet emerges as a sort of, inside-outside perspective. When I look at the work, I'm also remembering that I've collected the footage over almost 7 years. Some of it is about that kind of time, but it's also about the making of the work. All these different things that I've been interested in sort of connected and come back together. And then how do people respond to the work, I hope that they feel a sense of renewal. I hope they feel a sense of wonder at how incredibly strange and also complicated the world that we live in and that we are a part of is.